oh, I'm going to show you how to do spell check. Very important. Let's see. It would be edit. Edit. And then down towards the middle, spelling, check spelling. You would hit start and it will highlight if there is something spelled wrong. And you hit done. I'm not sure why I clicked is, but hey. So it doesn't come preset, but I have noticed that once I select it in one document, it usually does it for other documents, but it's always good to check. So edit, spelling, check spelling, and it'll check spelling for the whole document, most likely. But if you want to check that specifically, you can select different text and see if it checks it anyway. So always a good thing to check.
Maybe if you hit Control A, it will highlight everything and check everything.
Right. All right. It selects everything.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's see.
You guys have other questions?
I'm new to Adobe products. I've used Premiere Pro before, but never Illustrator, and I'm just wondering, like, how much it costs to use Illustrator, because I'm thinking about a career switch, but in order to do that, I'd need to learn a bunch of things. So.
Okay, so you have Premiere. So I'm guessing you only have the.
Well, I've used Premiere. I don't own it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a monthly subscription to either get just one of the programs or all of the programs. Honestly, it is more beneficial to get the license for all of the programs than for just one. I think one program was $29.99 a month. And then the whole, with my student discount on both, was like $20 a month. So.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Wait, for the whole thing, it was 20?
Yeah. It also depends on. Yeah. I would look into it to see both, because it might be different for you because I have a student discount.
Yeah, I'm not a student right now.
Yeah. So it really depends on how many of the programs you are going to be using.
Okay.
Because in some cases, you would transfer something from Illustrator to Photoshop. Or if you want to do videos now, hey, you have Premiere.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's good to know. Thank you.
Right? Yeah. They have the options before you sign up. So just see the options. But it is a monthly subscription.
Okay. I'm sure I can look it up and Google, but it's nice to know that you consider the package to be better in most cases. Yeah,
absolutely. And you can also get Adobe Capture on your phone, where you can draw something and then take a picture of it, and it can make it a vector art.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah. And then you can have it to your Adobe Cloud, and then you have it on your computer.
That's
so that you can just transfer it in. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks.
No problem. Yeah, I've dabbled in some of the Adobe programs, so I like having all of them, but I also had just Illustrator for a pretty long time, and I was pretty okay with that. Yes. Yes, Carol.
Is there any way it can be changed into a Word document, even if it's stripped down? I can't think of it. Not save as, but when you export it.
Yeah, probably.
PDF.
Yes, if you file save as, you can save it as a Adobe PDF, and you can also file export as, and you can do it as a JPEG or a PNG. Yeah, so that's how you would do that. With a JPEG or a PNG, you would want to, most times, if you're going to use it for web, you would want to change it to RGB, which I will show you right now. You would go to in file, it would be document setup. And oh wait, sorry. File, document color mode from CMYK to RGB. Yeah, so if you don't do that, the colors will look different because of how the computer is receiving it or how the printer is receiving it. So yeah, export. So if it's not in save as, it's in export, basically. Export as. And yeah, I haven't really used, and you can use save it in Photoshop. Although with most Adobe programs, you can just save it in the Adobe file type and then just open it in the other Adobe program. So it does transfer very seamlessly.
That is the beauty of it.
Mhm.
Okay. So then we're going to see you guys again on the 22nd to do, what are we doing on 22nd?
Oh, let's see. Well, I was going to go over importing. Oh, no, I still will go over importing. Like if you take an image from online and place it into Illustrator,
Okay.
and then using types of ways to use those images in Adobe Illustrator. And then I'm going to go over the mesh tool, which is kind of like the gradient tool, but it's a little bit more advanced.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the mesh tool intimidates me, so that's cool.
Yeah, it used to intimidate me too. Yeah, no, I totally agree. But
Okay.
I've been using it a lot recently, so.
Well, thank you, Abby.